Mr. Paul, I'm pleased to see Mr. George's progress in physical therapy. His range of motion has improved significantly.
Thank you, Mihira. He's been working hard on his exercises.
I'm impressed with his dedication. Let's continue with the exercises we've been doing and incorporate some new ones to challenge his muscles.
Great. He's ready to push himself.
Remember to listen to his body and avoid overexerting himself. It's important to balance exercise with rest.
I'll be careful. I don't want to set him back.
That's important. We'll gradually increase the intensity of the exercises as he improves. Are you experiencing any pain or discomfort during the exercises?
A little soreness, but it's manageable, Mihira.
That's normal. As his muscles get stronger, the soreness should subside. If the pain becomes severe or persistent, let me know.
I can see how difficult and worrying this is for you. It's completely understandable to feel concerned when your child is struggling, and I want to assure you that there is a wide network of support available to help both your child and your family. We'll work together to find the best way forward. First, you're not alone in this. There are many professionals and groups dedicated to helping. You might find it helpful to connect with your child's school healthcare team or a counselor there. They are often a great first step, as they can provide a safe space for your child to talk and learn coping skills in an environment that is already familiar to them. Beyond the school, there are also excellent local and online support groups for both children and parents. These groups offer a wonderful sense of community and a place to share experiences with others who truly understand what you're going through. Additionally, a social worker can be a fantastic resource. They are skilled at connecting families to specific services and can help you navigate the system to find the right kind of support for your family's unique needs. To help you get started, I have some information here for you. We can look at some websites and leaflets from organizations like the Mental Health Foundation of New Zealand, which have a wealth of resources and practical advice. Please feel free to take them with you and look them over when you have a quiet moment. Remember, this is a journey, and we'll take it one step at a time. I am here to help and support you as you navigate these next steps.